quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Janesville around 4:30 p.m.
4:30 Janesville.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Shapir.
I think that's our funnel cloud.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or
Yeah, that's a funnel cloud. There go the sirens.
avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying.
Yeah, I've been watching all these clouds like form right over there. It keeps sucking them up. If it drops, we gotta go now.
Located near Beloit, moving to scene, Richland, Rock, Walworth, and Waukesha, and following nearshore waters from North
Yeah,
Point
that will be the tornado.
nearshore waters from Point to
Yeah.
That'll be it. If there's a tornado, that'll be it. Take your shit that way, man. Go.
For the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WWG90 in Janesville. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m.
Man, it's starting to come down.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Beloit, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation.
I see a second funnel cloud.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Janesville around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Shapir, Afton, Tiffany, and Avalon. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The sirens going off.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Joe Davies County in
Yeah, I think that tornado touched down.
Eastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 5 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
Starting to come down hard.
13 miles west of Freeport, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Stockton,
Yeah, I'm seeing a funnel. Yeah, I think we got a tornado.
Dakota, German Valley, Winslow, Rock City, Ladon, Nora, Buena Vista, Lauren, Rock Grove, Onico, Orangeto, Kent, and Leroy. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Yeah, I see it all the way down there.
Occurring with this storm.
I think it already touched down.
Flooding.
No, I don't think
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
it hasn't touched down.
Warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for
No.
southeastern Rock County. At 3:51 p.m.,
It wouldn't
a
be
severe
that.
thunderstorm
It's
was
gonna be
located near Beloit, moving north at 20 miles an
Yeah,
hour.
winds are picking up.
Hazard, 60 miles an
But
hour.
that's north too.
Quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Tiffany, Hanover, Shapir, Afton, and Avalon.
Crazy.
A tornado
Said it was going to be near Beloit at around. It was going to be near Janesville around 4:30,
What time is it now?
4:10.
Okay, so we have 20 minutes and then we're safe? It's Janesville's problem? So long as that fucker doesn't touch down in 20 minutes, it's Janesville's problem. Look at that, that's so crazy.
Yeah.
The clouds like coming together.
We just had the sirens earlier.
Winnebago County will expire at 4:15. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
It's not for us. And there go the sirens again.
It's going out right now. Look at that. See all these clouds coming this way?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're all coming in this way together. This whole system.